Really hard to do this one-handed. I love my girlfriend. Yeah, I love you too, Yoshi. One more day till moving day. You're making this difficult, dog. What? What? Oh my gosh. What? Billy fell down the well? Where's the well at? I guess Billy fell down the well. Gina made me some muffins for breakfast. They're delicious. So tomorrow, I pick up the U-Haul and we move all our furniture to the new place. Friday, getting the internet guy to come out and hook up the internet so I can set up my computer and start working on these for you guys. So make sure you click like on this and subscribe to the channel because it's about to get flooded with all kinds of cool stuff. I just swallowed muffin wrong. Moving the refrigerator is my least favorite thing we're going to be doing tomorrow. These are my original sculpts for Skinned Ink. I'm trying to make some more molds today to increase my production time. I should be wearing a mask. I've got to pack the rest of this stuff. It's a royal pain. It's all my tattoo gear and Skinned Ink stuff, and I've just poured the 8x10 mold, and I'm taking a break because my back is killing me. I hate that somebody hit me in the carpool lane and got in a wreck and screwed my back up years ago, and sometimes it just hurts. There's nothing I can do. Okay, these are dry, so I am going to try to get them out. Loosen up the edges first. There we go. You just pull it right out. Bam, there's a mold. I'm sort of running behind schedule. Running out of time for tomorrow. Absolutely hate packing and moving. Unpacking's not so bad, but the packing part blows. That's a lot of tattoo ink. Dropping off this package at the post office. Let me explain what this package is. Inside here is my transmitter and my camera for my drone. My blade chroma is once again messing up. Which really sucks, because when it's working, it's a great drone. I can't brag enough about how it collapses and it does what it does, and the picture on it's great for the price. The Wi-Fi in the camera won't hook up to the transmitter, so I can't see the pictures, so I have no clue what I'm filming. So I have to send it in. Usually there's a huge line at this post office. Yes. Can I just drop this off over here? Thank you. Tomorrow is moving day. Ugh, I hate moving. So these original clay pieces, I'm sort of tearing up and I'm melting them back down so I can make some new things. So I tear it apart, break it up, put it in the microwave, melt it back down in one giant solid block, and then I can use it for new stuff. I've got a lot to pack up before I get this truck tomorrow, so I gotta sign out. This is just a bit overwhelming. I really hate moving. I can't even smile. I hate moving, I hate moving, I hate moving. Yep. Just finished. I voted. Got my vote in. Done deal. Whoever wins, wins at this point. I did my part. Done.